The recent Bitcoin rally has been attributed to various factors. This includes the extraordinary $25 billion funding by the Federal Reserve and the United States Treasury. This has allowed Bitcoin bulls to be well positioned to profit up to $440 million when weekly options expire on March 17. Additionally, the closing down of Silicon Valley Bank and Signature Bank has had a direct impact on the cryptocurrency market. Meanwhile, the $1.2 billion Bitcoin weekly options expiry has the potential to benefit bulls. However, a drop in commodity prices, particularly for oil, could have an impact on cryptocurrencies. Reduce the potential profits made on the options expiry. Overall, the data suggests that Bitcoin buyers may be able to capitalize on the March 17 options expiry, provided that the price remains above $24,000. This article provides an in-depth analysis of the recent Bitcoin rally, concluding that bulls may be able to capitalize on the March 17 options expiry. It examines the various factors that have contributed to the rally and highlights the potential risks associated with the expiry, such as a drop in commodity prices. Additionally, it looks at the various strategies that traders can employ to reduce their losses. Overall, the article paints a positive outlook for Bitcoin bulls and offers useful insights into the cryptocurrency market. Orca, a decentralized exchange based on the Solana protocol, has announced it will begin blocking users from the United States. Trading on its web interface will begin March 31st. Despite the change, American users will still be able to interact with Orca smart contracts and provide liquidity. Other decentralized exchanges have also begun blocking US users, such as 1inch and Binance DEX. However, users have found they can usually bypass geographical bans by using a VPN or connecting directly to the blockchain. This announcement from Orca is a reminder that decentralized exchanges are not immune to the regulatory requirements of different countries. Although users may still be able to interact with the Orca smart contracts, the blocking of US users from trading on the web interface is likely to limit the amount of liquidity available to those in the United States. It remains to be seen if this move will result in other decentralized exchanges following suit, or if other measures will be taken to ensure that US users can still access decentralized exchanges. Fidelity Investments has now opened access to Bitcoin and Ether trading to all of its retail traders. It is providing a custodial and trading service through Fidelity Digital Assets. The move comes at a time when the US cryptocurrency market is facing regulatory pressure due to multiple high-profile collapses last year. Closures of crypto-friendly banks have also been reported. Fidelity also provides an Ethereum index fund and is exploring providing NFT and metaverse investment services. This article provides an overview of the new cryptocurrency and Ethereum trading services recently made available by Fidelity Investments. It also examines the recent closures of crypto-friendly banks, the regulatory pressure facing the US cryptocurrency market, and Fidelity's other services, such as the Fidelity Ethereum Index Fund and its potential plans to offer NFT and metaverse investment services. The article concludes by highlighting the potential benefits of Fidelity's services for investors, who often rely on their financial advisors for investment strategies. Blockchain development has grown significantly since the introduction of Bitcoin. With the introduction of smart contracts and decentralized apps, blockchain has the potential to disrupt many industries. A recent report revealed that the full-time Web3 developer community increased by 15% over the past year. Despite the progress, traditional blockchain development is a costly and time-consuming endeavor. That is why QuickNode, a leading end-to-end blockchain development platform, is making it easier and more efficient for Web3 developers to build, boot up and scale projects with low latency, reliability and security. This article highlights how blockchain development has come a long way since the introduction of Bitcoin and how the introduction of smart contracts by the Ethereum blockchain created potential use cases for blockchain across many sectors. It also mentions a report by Electric Capital that shows the increase in full-time Web3 developers at GitHub over the past year. It further explains the difficulty in transitioning from conceptualizing a new dApp to actually writing the code for it. QuickNode is introduced as an end-to-end blockchain development platform that can help Web3 developers by making it easier for them to boot up and start building. The article also highlights the potential of blockchain in various traditional sectors, including ad revenue sharing, retail and record keeping, and how QuickNode can help Web3 developers by simplifying execution and enabling further adoption. Bitcoin is pushing past 25K with major digital assets in the green. Europe and Asia have the chance to become a magnet for liquidity orphaned by the collapse of Silvergate and Signature. Bitcoin's correlation with stocks is decreasing. The Shiba Inu community is debating the origin story of the Shibarium blockchain over allegations of plagiarism. This comes as Google searches for Arbitrum soar with the announcement of an upcoming airdrop of the token. Wealth management industry globally is also very light in both Bitcoin and gold. This article provides an overview of the current state of the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin is pushing past 25K and its correlation with stocks is decreasing, while most major digital assets are in the green. It also notes the increasing buying pressure on the market, which is likely to have a considerable impact on prices. The article goes on to discuss the debate within the Shiba Inu community regarding the origin story of the Shibarium blockchain, as well as the upcoming airdrop of the Arbitrum token and the potential effects of the US banking crisis on the cryptocurrency market. The article provides an informative and comprehensive overview of the current state of the cryptocurrency market, giving readers a comprehensive look at the major events that could affect the market in the near future.